Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening NVIDIA Control Panel or GeForce Experience and confirming drivers are up to date. This avoids conflicts. Once done, go directly to Manage 3D Settings and pick Global Settings or the specific game profile you want to change. You do this because global overrides affect all apps while program profiles isolate changes. Make sure to set power management to prefer maximum performance first. It keeps the GPU responsive when you remove frame caps. Now you disable the frame limiter entries. Set vertical sync to off in the NVIDIA profile and in the game's graphics settings so the GPU isn't forced to wait for refresh. Then find max frame rate in the NVIDIA profile and set it to 0 or off to allow unlimited frames. Also check third-party tools like Riva Tuner or Afterburner and disable their caps. Those often override NVIDIA. Once you remove all caps, the GPU can render at its full throughput relative to thermal and power limits. Finish by launching the game and watching FPS and temperature telemetry to confirm removal worked. You want consistent numbers, not wild spikes. If you experience stutter or tearing, enable G-Sync or set a modest frame cap near your monitor's refresh rate as a compromise. If instability persists, roll back the driver or reset the NVIDIA profile to defaults and reapply changes one at a time. This isolates the problematic setting and restores a stable baseline quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.